Hello everyone. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create bibliography in Microsoft Word. So probably everybody of you know what is Microsoft Word, so I don't really need to tell you details about what is that, but I know one trick that could actually save you a couple of minutes or maybe even hours when creating your own sources used. So let's start. Let's go to Microsoft Word first of all. Here it is. As you can see, I already did something over here, but I will repeat the process exactly for you again. So here. First of all, I want to tell you that there is a difference. There is a difference. Like for example, for Mac and for Windows, there's a different kind of layouts of your menus and like bars, all that sort of stuff. So toolbars, yes. Those are a bit differently located, but it's not such a big of a deal to understand that. At least in Mac, I can say that I got used to it by actually using the computer for 1 year, and I can really work with this program with no problem. So let's start. First, we go to Insert Citation, as you can see from the references. This menu over here. Yes, we go to Insert Citation. Then what we see here is that what kind of source are we gonna type there? Well, there's various sources. If you click on here, you can see book section, article in a journal, etc. Well, I'm gonna actually show you how it looks in different ways. So here you have book and you have different recommended fields appearing. You need title, you need city, you need the year, publisher. That's how the book looks like. And then book section looks a bit more because you actually specify the number of pages. Yes, yeah, because that's quite necessary, as you can see. Like here it doesn't appear as an important thing. Here it appears. Next, okay, article in a journal. It looks like this. Well, you could actually play with this a bit more when you actually go to this menu and realize that it has different things to write about, to different ways to fill your source, basically. What I'm actually gonna do for you is to show website, how to cite the website, for example. Let's say, for example, we have a John Johnson, yes, and then we add him. Then we have John Johnson, and then we push OK. So that's the outer. It will be showed as supposed to be. Oh yeah, by the way, don't forget about the capitals. Capitals are really important. Capital letters, I mean. Next one, let's say Jane. Yes, with capitals. Jane Geronimo. I probably didn't write that in the right way. Oh, well, I don't know how to write that in the right way. Jane Johnson. Well, so they're like brother and sister, basically. Okay, and then goes name of the web page. Well, I don't know. Well, I don't know. Oh, I don't know.com. It's a really nice web page. I didn't really visit that. Maybe that even exists, but in here I'm just gonna show. Okay, so URL is that. As you can see, it's just a website. Then we're gonna specify the link. That's all. Like, I don't know, like Google, whatever. Then goes the production company. That could be anything, of course, too. And also, if you don't really fill the recommended fields, it doesn't really matter. It's not a problem, so don't really worry about that. You can write here like anything. You can write here anything. You can write here anything. here anything, I mean, like, of course you should follow those steps. Not more than 12 months, not more than 31 day. Be careful. Year accessed. Oh, well, how about it? 15,000 month accessed. 12. There you go. We have a source now, and as you can see, it looks like just Wikipedia source as usual. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you that it can have different formats from here. This one, for example, it has this format. It looks like this. This is the year, as you remember. I could even fix that for you so that you will understand better. Excuse me. So this one, edit source. Then here will be this one, and let's say this one. It's kind of more reliable, isn't it? The source exists in both the master list and the current list. Do you want to save the changes to both lists? Yes. Okay. So that's how it looks like. Then you can see this format, this format. So basically those kind of formats are for different universities with different rules, regulations, and all that sort of stuff. Well, here I used this format, and it's a really appropriate one. Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm a student. I forgot to introduce myself. I'm a student right now in Netherlands. As an exchange student, actually, I learned this thing in here. It's a really not so tricky thing. Like, I mean, it's just so easy to learn how to do this thing. So, yeah. Let's return back to business. And this is a citation here. We want to see it. We push bibliography, and then push here, and then we see it. Because I had those other links already before, I need to remove them so that they won't show up. What I'm gonna do is go to citations, gonna remove those couple of links. Oops, minus, pressing minus here, then update field, then we got it done. We got only one link. We want to add some more links. We create another citation. We write anything here, anything here, anything here, anything here, anything here. Yes. Then we just update the field. Then we got another thing. And that's the whole process. It's not such a big of a deal, and it's easy to do. So hopefully you liked the video, and please subscribe to me if you really like what I'm doing, and hope to see you in my comments. Yes, thank you, and bye.